Hey guys, it's Jeff and we're back again with a new video. Today we're going to be looking at Bitcoin USD and we'll be looking to see what are the long-term and short-term price movements that we might be looking at. So first of all, we're going to be starting at the monthly level chart. And so first of all, I want to identify what is currently happening in the market. So you can currently see that we made a high, a retracement, and we tested the high again, and we kind of seem that we're pushing down to the downside. So I'll pick up my Fibonacci tool, and I'll go to the previous leg, which will be this move up, and get it from the high and to the low of the move, and identify the negative 27 Fibonacci line, and I'll draw a horizontal line right there. I will mark it purple just so that we know that it's a high time frame move, and it's 27 around 27,930. So I'll just round that off to 28,000, so it can be a round number. So now that we got 28,000, um I'll look on the candlestick patterns to see if we reach that level, and clearly no. So uh in the long term, Bitcoin price movement will probably want to go test the 28,000 level. Uh, Next, we'll go down to the weekly level chart and just still analyze there and see what the price will what the price would likely be doing in the next week. Uh, so same setup right here. Uh, we see that the market has calmed down and set a low down here, proceeded to move up and make another low down. So that is a reversal. That's a reversal sign, and we'd be looking for probably a 61.8 retracement movement to the top. So I'll pick up my Fibonacci tool and put it from the high and to the low of the move, and then I'll identify the 61.8 golden ratio level, and I'll use an orange line over here to know that it's our weekly target. And we can see that the market is slightly is moving towards that level. I'll round that off to 55,000. So now that we got our weekly level, and we can see it's almost at the all-time highs of 55,000. Sorry, not all-time highs, but towards this highs on this side of the chart, we can go down to the daily chart and see what's going down on there, and establish what's going to happen next. So we can see that the price has been ranging between 44,000 and 36,000. So what I'm going to be looking at next is taking up my Fibonacci tool and drawing it from this low to this high, right here. I'm just going to extend it this way so I can kind of see more clearly what's going on. And you can see that the market pushed up to this level, retraced down until the 61.8 ratio, 78.6, and now is moving towards the top. It wants to move towards the top, towards this high. So on the daily high, we'd be looking for a daily high of around 47,142. If I round that off, I'll say just around 47,000. So clearly, Bitcoin in the short term is bullish, with our levels being 47,000 and 55,000. Oh, sorry, I'll move that to a red to indicate that's our daily. It's a daily target. And yeah, so if you're looking for any short-term trades, you then switch down to the 1 hour chart and just kind of establish what's going on here. So right now we have a very strong bullish move to the top. Um, you can clearly see it. If you want to take a trade on this, I'd establish this. I'd be looking at this low right here, because this is one move right here to the top. Because you can see that it's all about support and resistance. You can see that market made a move to the top, down, up, and then found resistance around here, and then moved to the top and really hasn't found any more resistance down here. So I'll take the Fibonacci tool again, draw it from this low all the way to this high. Again, just establishing the 61H ratio level, which is around 43,118. I will round it up to 43,200. So it's just a clearer level. So what I'm expecting to see with Bitcoin right now is for the price, since we made this high, I'd expect the price to test this high again right here, which is around 45,000. So expect the price to hit 45,000 and then take a short position on this level. So take a short from 45,000, and our target is 43,200. And since we want to set ourselves up with a good risk reward, it should be around 3 to 1. So I'm just going to move this until I get a 3 to 1. I get a 3 to 1 risk reward. So that means that my stop loss should be around 45,580. I'll put it 45,800. 45,580. 580. Okay. And there you go. So this is what I'm looking for. A short on the Bitcoin, on the hourly time frame, but would like to see the levels of 47,000 and 55,000 hits before we see Bitcoin move again down to the downside to reclaim around 28,000. Overall, I'm bullish on Bitcoin. I think it's a great asset to hold, but we will trade it to gain some profit in the short term. Thanks for watching and hope to see you again. Peace.